Hello and welcome to Benji's Food Corner. Today I'll be brewing up some Maruchan ramen. This is the chicken flavor which I eat at least once a week. But before I start, I wanted to say that some comments on my last video were critical of my crispy tots. Hopefully today's meal will change your view on just how good my cooking can get. I am going to start by putting the uncooked noodles into a bowl. Make sure to save the flavor packet because we'll need it for later. Take the flavor packet from earlier and then put it into the ramen. Now I'm going to boil water. This water is ready to add to the ramen. I'm going to add this ramen to the water now. I'm using sriracha hot sauce. Now it's time to add the spice. I'm using sriracha hot sauce. And with that, I'm finished. I hope you enjoy. I rate Maruchan instant noodles a 6 out of 10. Thanks for watching.